Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Trading for Beginners. In today's video, we are going to be learning how to log into your Kraken account. To log into your Kraken account, make sure that you visit kraken.com on your browser or open up the Kraken mobile app if you have one. After opening the app, in the welcome screen, tap on the sign in button at the bottom. On the next page, enter your email address or username associated with your Kraken account. Also, write down your password associated with your account in the text box. If you don't remember your password or username, you can tap on the forgot password or username link at the bottom and follow through the prompts to find your credentials. But if you remember your credential, type it down and tap on continue at the bottom of the screen. And with this, you will be able to log into your Kraken account in just a couple of steps. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you'll then need to go ahead and enter the authentication code sent to you via authentication app. And then, once you're logged in, you can access your dashboard to trade cryptocurrencies, check balances, and manage your account securely. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.